Hello all, welcome to my channel Beginners in Stock Market. Today I have came up with a new strategy which is called as an intraday breakout strategy. This is not a new strategy. I'm making it simplest for the beginners, as the beginners wanted to know that we don't know when to enter a stock, when to buy or when to sell a stock. So this breakout strategy is for them who don't know when to enter the trade and when to exit the trade. So breakout strategy is not a new strategy, or this is not a strategy that I have designed. This is an old strategy that many people are using just for a beginners to understand them in an easy language. I will take you through the what is the breakout strategy and how does it works. So let's begin with the definition. What does breakout mean? So breakout is a stock price that moves outside a defined support or resistance level with increased volume. A breakout trader enters a long position after the stock price breaks above resistance, or enters a short position after the stock breaks below support. So in a simple words, let me explain you. So any particular stock has its own uh, range. So like, let's say example, any stock, suppose ICICI Bank, it has some range, maybe 230 to 360. So this is a range of that ICICI Bank, so it moves in that range. So whenever it gives you a breakout, so that means it breaks its high or break its low. So if it breaks its high, you have to buy, and if it break its low, you have to break its low. But this is a big range, and so if you're doing an intraday, so you will not able to find that particular price. So that is a breakout of 52-week high or low. But for intraday, so there is also a breakout every minute or every time minutes you can choose. So for let's say an example, if market starts at 9:15, you can take 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So for a particular stock, if the stock is giving high and low for a particular 15 minutes, and if a stock breaks its high, so at that point you have to buy. If the stock breaks its low 15 minutes, you can short the position or you can sell and buy on later when the stock goes more down. So this is how this gives you answer that when to enter a trade. So this can be used for those people who don't know when to enter a trade and when to exit a trade. So for going this, there are some rules. Let me explain you what are those rules, and we have to follow some discipline also while applying these rules. So time frame, so this is most important. What you have to do is, so you can choose any time frame, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 or 30 minutes, or above 30 minutes. So this is mainly for the people who are like doing their jobs and also wanted to do earn some extra money, so they can't leave their job and do daily trading. So they can choose any time frame like 5, 10, 15, 30 and above. So for 80 to 90% accuracy, use 15 minutes and above time frame, because the first 15 minutes are supposed to be very volatile for the market. The stock can go very high, and it can go very low. So we have to wait till the market becomes stable and then enter a trade. So for the ones, I think so 15 minutes and above should be the best. It's always the best time frame where you can get an 80 to 90% of an accuracy. What will be the targets? You can keep any targets between the range of zero point 0.3 to 1%. um, for to get your consistent profits, don't get greedy and keep minimum targets of 0.3%. That's what I do and I follow. I keep minimum targets because market can be very volatile. If you are achieving maybe 0.5%, market can again go down. So it will be like you enter a trade, you can see the positive, 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 and then suddenly market goes down, and whatever you have gained profits, you lose everything, and your trade goes in negative. So to avoid those, what we can do, we can keep, you have to make your own rules, that you have to take zero point 0.3 or 1%, or between a range from zero point 0.3 to 1, because stock moves every day between 2 to 3%, 5%. Maybe there is some news, it can go 10% also. And mostly you should choose the best stocks, which is a nifty 50 stocks, because they can give you a such movement, and where you can find when to enter and when to exit depending upon your targets. So what should be the stop loss? Keep this equal stop loss. If you're putting zero point 0.3 as a profit, keep zero point 0.3 as a stop loss, so not beyond that. So this is what it shows in theoretically. So what I will do is I will show you on charts or in a real example how does it works. So let me go to my kite terminal. Mm, okay, okay, you can see ICICI Bank. So let me check ICICI Bank. The today is Sunday, so market is closed. We cannot see live. Yes, but we can see what happened in past, and we can do the back testing as well. So this is an ICICI Bank chart, and I have kept here 15 minutes chart. So let's see, let's see. Okay, so for the first 15 minutes, so it opened at 3:30 and it closed at 3:32. This was the first 15 minutes candle, but it made high of 333.92 something, 92, or yeah, you can consider 333.90, and it made a low of 330.60 something here. So what you have to do, you have to enter a trade when the stock goes above 333.90 or goes below 330.560. So if it goes below, you will sell first and buy later. If you goes up, you will buy first and sell later. See, you can see in the after 15 minutes, this is the candle which is at 9:30. So it started here, but it did not break our low and it did not break our high, so we will not enter here. But yes, here you can see it break 330.60 and it went down till, you can see, till 320 something, 322 something. So it can give a good profits, it gives you a good movement. But you have to follow a discipline, some rules to make a consistent profit. Don't be greedy and take whatever you decide. So it can be like 5.51% or something, and that's it, you're done for the day. So this is one example. Let's take another example. If you see Ambuja Cement, let's see how it performed on Friday. Oh, you can see here it started at 254 and at 9:30 it went till 258. Then here at the second candle only it gave you a clear indication of buy, and it went till, oh, 260. But it is, yeah, and I think so in the second candle only you must have done with your targets if you keep your zero point 0.3 or 1% of your targets. So this is a rule, or you can say it's not a rule, but you can say that you will be able to find out when to enter a stop, or and what you should enter. You should go for a buy or you should go for a sell. So this is one strategy which is used for entering a trade. So you can keep any time frame, you can keep 30 minutes also. If you check 30 minutes, how does it look? See, you can see 30 minutes. If you see, it doesn't give you a clear picture, but yes, in 15 minutes it shows you a good indication if to buy or to sell. So we have seen two examples, ICICI Bank and Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement gives us a buy signal, whereas ICICI Bank gave us sell signal, and the same it happened. Ambuja Cement went up till 261 and more above, yeah, 261, and then the market was again. So just to avoid these things, you can see the market again came down here till 256. Just to avoid that, do not continue till end of the day. Book your profits, and that's it, you're done for the day. So it can be a small profit also, but profit is profit. You take a profit and move out of the trade. So this is for the beginners, I would suggest. I hope you like this video, when to enter and when to exit. So this is one type of a breakout where you can easily find out breakouts in a day trading using 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes candle. Also there is another type of breakout which is called as an uh, 52 week breakout. So you can see this Ambuja Cement, it is it has made its high as 291 and low as 222. So this is also called as an breakout. If it breaks at 291.50, so that it is 50, the stock has broke its previous 12 months high, and now he made a new high. So here also you can go for buy, and if it breaks its low to triple 2.90, you can go for short. So that means that it will give you a more downfall. So that's it, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, do uh, click on like button, and share as much as you can. Also subscribe to my channel so that I can upload more videos. Hope you like my all videos, and thanks for watching. Maybe I can upload more knowledge based videos. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, you can please ask in comments so that I can answer to your questions.